Hi, today we want to continue from the question 6 where we got to the other time. The other time we were able to solve question A of the elective maths July 2020 paper of the HCS examination. So today we want to continue the 6B, and it says if 1 over x squared minus 4 is equivalent to p over x plus 2 plus q over x minus 2, where x is not equal to plus or minus 2, find the value of p plus q. So we want to find the value of p plus q. That is what the question wants us to do. So how are we going to do that? Now the fraction looks like a partial fraction. Now the fraction as it stands like that is a partial fraction question. So how do we find the value for p and q? Our first approach, or the first thing we can do, is we can find the LCM and then we multiply through. Okay, so we have 1 over x squared minus 4, and that is equal to p over x plus 2 plus q over x minus 2. So the first thing we can do is we try finding our LCM, and the LCM is our x plus 2 x minus 2. Let's use the LCM to multiply through this equation. So we are going to have our x plus 2 x minus 2 multiplying the 1 over x squared minus 4, and that will be equal to the same LCM, that is the x plus 2 x minus 2 times the p over x plus 2 plus the same LCM, that is x plus 2 x minus 2 multiplying q over what? X minus 2. So in this case, what is going to happen? This x plus 2 x minus 2 is going to cancel this particular expression, that is the x squared minus 4. When you come to this side, the x plus 2, that is this denominator, is going to cancel this x plus 2, so you'll be left with x minus 2 multiplying the p. And when you come to this side, the x minus 2 is going to cancel this x minus 2, so you're going to be left with x plus 2 multiplying q. Okay, so we are going to have 1 being equal to p multiplying x minus 2 plus q multiplying x plus 2. Now from this point, what we can do is the linear factors that we are having there, that is this x minus 2 and then x plus 2. We take each linear factor, we equate it to 0, and then we try substituting that into this particular equation that we are having here. That is the cover-up rule. So when x is equal to positive 2, because when we take the x minus 2 and then we equate it to 0, we'll get x to be equal to 2. So when x equal to 2, what is going to happen? We are going to have 1 being equal to, we have our p, we have 2 minus 2 plus q we have 2 plus 2. 2 minus 2 will give us 0. 0 times p will give us 0. So we will be having 1 being equal to 4q. So we want to solve for q. So what are we going to do? We are going to divide both sides by the 4. Okay, so we are going to have 1 over 4 being equal to q. We do the same thing for the other linear factor. So again, when x is equal to -2, that is when you take the x plus 2 and then equate it to 0, we are going to get x to be equal to -2. So we are going to substitute this -2 into that equation that we had, that is the 1 minus p, that is 1 being equal to p x minus 2 plus q x plus 2. So this time around we are saying that when x equal to -2, what is going to happen? So we're going to have our 1 being equal to, we have p, so -2 minus 2 plus q, -2 plus 2. Now wherever that we are having x, we are substituting -2 there. So this will give us 1 being equal to, this side is going to give us -4p, and this side is going to give us 0. We are solving for p. So what do? At this point, we have 1 being equal to -4p. Let's divide both sides by the coefficient of p, that is -4. Okay, so we are going to have 1 over -4, and that is equal to p, and this is the same as p being equal to -1 over 4. Now we have the value for p, we have the value for q. The question was trying to tell us to, or ask us to find the value of p plus q. In this case, we know that p is equal to what? -1 over 4, and we know that q is equal to 1 over 4. Therefore, the p plus q will be equal to -1 over 4 plus 1 over 4, and this will give us 0. So we are going to have our p plus q being equal to 0, and that is the end. So that is the end of this question. Okay, so we'll pause here. God willing, our next meeting we'll try going through question 6c. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.